tip, we'll be looking at pirouettes. The term pirouette means to spin. Usually it's done on one leg, and in ballet, it's usually done in a position called retiree, where the toe comes to the knee. Catherine's going to help me demonstrate this, as well as a couple exercises to help improve your pirouette. To help me demonstrate this tip today, I have Catherine in our studio. The position of a pirouette is traditionally a retiree, meaning to remove. Retiree can be done both to the front and the back of the knee. So Catherine's first going to show us retiree devant, which is to the front of the knee. She comes up through coupé, through all the way to her knee, bringing her arm at the same time, and then closes. Same thing can happen to the back, retiree derrière, pulling the back leg up to the knee, and then closing. This position is really important as you're doing your pirouette. To hold your position, you need a lot of strength through your glutes and through your abs. A great bar exercise to practice your pirouette technique is one facing the bar so you can feel your shoulders and your hips really square as you go up for your retiree position. Catherine will demonstrate this exercise on both the right and the left side. I will recommend that you do this exercise at least 4 times on each side to help warm up the right muscles. Starting with a tendu back, she'll take tendu, prepare for her pirouette, spring up to her pirouette position, take some time to balance, imagine yourself turning, and close sous sus. Then to the other side, taking tendu back, preparation, and pirouette. Again, feel that pirouette inside your body as you're balancing, and finish. Pirouettes can be done in 2 different directions. One direction is called en dehors, meaning to the outside. The other direction is en dedans, meaning to the inside. These can be done from 5th, 4th, actually many different positions. But Catherine today is going to show us en dehors and en dedans pirouettes from 5th and from 4th. We'll start with en dehors. So starting from 5th position, Catherine will take her preparation. And her finish. Starting from 4th position, she'll take her tendu back, prepare, and finish. En dedans turns use the back foot typically. So from 5th, Catherine will push off of 2 feet, but bring her back foot up. From a 4th or a lunge, she'll tendu her front leg, transfer her weight, and then take off.
Greatmats is a national flooring retailer. Contact Greatmats for free samples, free design help, and live customer service today. If you like what you've seen here, be sure to subscribe to our YouTube channel and follow Greatmats on Facebook, Instagram, LinkedIn, Pinterest, and Twitter.